Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to clear Picsart app cache, and now let's dive right in. Now to clear the cache of your Picsart app, first open the settings of your phone and not the Picsart app itself. And after opening your settings guys, scroll down until you can find the apps option over here just above the location. Tap on apps and again tap on the app management button at the top of the screen. And over here guys, on the search bar, tap over there and search for Picsart and open the Picsart on this interface guys. And over here guys, you can see the storage usage option available for us. Tap on the storage usage button and you have the clear cache button available for us over here guys. At the right side of the cache, you can see, tap on the clear cache button over here and then the cache memory of your Picsart app will be cleared out. And with that being said guys, this is how to clear Picsart app cache on phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.